Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how you do a filter on a Samsung Eco Bubble washing machine. So, first step, you need to pop open a filter. You will need one of these flat-headed screwdrivers and just put it in there and pop it open. Then after this, there's two ways of doing it. First way you might want to do is undo the main filter. Second way is you might want to drain it out before you do the filter, which might save you quite a lot more hassle. So first, and show you how to do it with this drain hose. Then I'm going to show you how you do it with a filter. So let's get started. While it's easier to do it out of filter, but when you do it with drain hose, to get all water out of the filter, you might have to put it through a couple of drains, which is spin and select, no spin. So yes, this stopper is quite hard to get off, so beware. When you do it, you should find it rising away from the hose. So I'm just going to get something to grip onto it so it can do it a little easier. But then you should see it starting to come away from the hose, and then you just pull it off like that and let it drain. Oh, that's some dirty water there. So you can let it drain. How I do it, which sometimes speeds up the process, is turn it on, put it on a spin cycle. So turn it on, put it on the spin cycle, then I select, no spin, and then press start, and then it should pump out easier. And then you just keep repeating this process, then you should get most of the water out of it. But if you're lazy like me, you can just open up this filter here, which is the main filter, and let it drain. And as you see, there's not a lot of dirt in here, but there is a little, so we'll clean this out after, and we'll clean this out. So how you put it back together, and you just follow the steps that I did. So you drain it, of course, if you're one of those people who like mess. Put the cap back on it, and make sure it's secure. Just like this. There we go. So that cap's back on. So you can just put it back. There. If it doesn't fit in there, then you can just do it like that. And then after you clean the filter, which I do now, put it back in, make sure you screw it so the white line there is joined up with the white line there. So there's a filter, a little dirty. And then I'll screw it back together and shut that. And if you want, you can give it a test, which I might do. But if you don't want to, then you can just put it back and hope there's no leaks. So I might do a test. Sorry for the long video, but I might do a test just to make sure that it's all done. So I'll put the filter back in after I clean it, which I'll do now. That's a little dirty. So yes, when I cleaned it, I'll be back. So when it's all cleaned, you can put it back. There you go, that line's drawn up to it. It's hard to see, but if you're actually in person and you can see it. Drain and move this tray full of water out of the way over here. And it might be a bit wet, so you can just shove a towel down there. And then you can give it a test wash. You might just want to give it a rinse and spin, which might be a good idea, but I'm just going to put a bit of water in it and check that there's no leaks. So how I do it, put it on this mode, so do this one and this one. Turn it to baby care, which will be test. Add a little bit of water to make sure there's no leaks. So you press the temperature button to add a bit of water to it. So that should be enough water, so you start it. Just check for no leaks, which I shouldn't do. Then after this, you might want to give it a drain or a spin to make sure there's no water droplets left in it. So I just turn the dial from test, which is baby care, to 15-minute quick wash, and I'm just going to give it a spin so it'll drain it and then spin to make sure all water droplets are out of it. Do not do this test spin with clothes in it or this test wash, because there's no bouncing sensors on it, so it'll just go crazy. Now spin the water droplets out of it, just maybe getting it to dry a bit more. You can see. Now it will do slow down and then go up 1200. That should be good enough, so I'll turn it off here. There's been no leaks, so that's good. And that's your filter done. You don't have to do a test wash, just I do it, so just in case it does leak. And then that'll be it. Your filter is now done.